Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to improve audio quality in VLC. It's very simply an easy guide. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open VLC Media Player on your Windows device. This method works for Windows 10, 11, and other versions as well. Once VLC is open, go to the top menu, and you will see multiple options. Simply click on Tools option, and then from the menu, select Preferences, and New Format will appear. In the bottom left corner of the Preferences window, you'll see an option that says Show Settings. Switch this from Simple to All now. At the left side, you will see multiple options. From there, click on the Audio option to open Audio Settings. And here, at the right side, you will see an option that says Force Detection of Dolby Surround. Change it into On. Once you set it into On, and then you will see an option that says Stereo Audio Output Mode. Simply click on it, and then from there, select Dolby Surround. Once you select it, and then at the left side, you will see Audio Resampler option. Simply click on it, and then at the right side, you will see that option. Click on it, and then from the drop-down menu, select the Automatic option, and then at the left side, you will see little arrow near to the Audio Resampler. Simply click on the little arrow, and then some option will appear. From these, click on the SPX Resampler option, and then at the right side you will see Resampling Quality option. Change its value to 10. It can be any value, but you just have to change it into 10. Once you're done, and then at the left side, you will see option that will be SRC Resampler. Simply select that option, and then at the right side you will see Sample Rate Converter type option. Simply click on it, and then from there, select the option that says Sync Function Best Quality from the left-hand menu, and then find and click on Input Codecs. Once you are in the Input Codecs option, on the right-hand side, locate the preferred video resolution setting. If it's not already set, change it to Full HD 1080p or Best Available. Once you've made this change, scroll down under Input Codecs and find File Caching option. Once you find it, here you'll see a value. In my case, it's 2000 milliseconds. Whatever value you see, double it. For example, if it's 1000, change it to 2000, and if it's 500, change it to 1000. Once you're done, click Save to apply these changes. Next, let's tweak some advanced video codec settings to ensure smooth playback. Go back to Input Codecs in the settings, and then at the left side, scroll down to the Video Codec section and double-click on it. And then multiple options will appear. And then double-click on FFmpeg, and on the right-hand side, find the Threads option. Once you find it, you will see, by default, this is set to 0. Change it to 2. Click Save to save these changes. Finally, let's configure the video output and hardware acceleration settings. From the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Video, then select Output Modules. Once you select it, and then at the right side, make sure the video output module is set to automatic. If it's been changed to any other option, switch it back to automatic. Once done, and then you will see filter option at the left side. Simply click on it, and then you will see multiple options at the right side. From these options, you will see an option that says Grad Fun Video Filter. Simply check the box of this option, and then at the left side, click on the little arrow that is near to the filter option to expand it, and then multiple options will appear. Simply scroll down until you find SW Scale option. Once you find it, click on it, and then at the right side you will see Scaling Mode option. Simply click on it, and then select Syncs R from the options. Once you're done, click on the Save, and then click on the Tools tab at the top, and then select Preferences. Next, head back to Input Codecs, and look for the Hardware Accelerated Decoding option at the top. If it's set to automatic, try switching it to disable. If it's already disabled, try setting it to automatic instead. Once done, click Save to apply the changes, then restart VLC Media Player. Once you've made all these adjustments, restart your computer. This ensures that all the new settings are applied correctly. Now open VLC Media Player again and play your video, and you will see your audio quality in VLC will be improved. That's it, folks. I hope this tutorial helps you to improve your audio quality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.